Hi everyone, we're just doing an update video using the Marzocco Strada machine. We did a video a few years ago using a Gajah machine. So this is the new setup that we've got and we wanted to share it with you. So I'm just going to make an espresso macchiato using the Lavazza Quality Rosa beans. They're quite a nice bean. We're going to be using the Mazzer grinder. It's a really good piece of kit. You can set the particle grind. It's really, really good. Okay, so that's the grind, really nice. So just give that a wipe. Okay. Okay, that's the grind that we got. Brilliant. So next we're going to use the Maca tamp. It gets a really consistent tamp. Get rid of that excess. I like to use this hand tamp also. It's a really awesome hand tamp. It's got a really nice bit of weight to it and I usually use that just for me actually. It does a really, really nice tamp. So let's start on the macchiato. So I start off quite slow just to begin with. That's it, it's giving a really nice pour. And then I'll take it up to the maximum. Got a lovely crema on it. Beautiful. Okay. I'm going to stop there. So that's the pour. Really nice pour it's given. Really nice crema on there. So next I'm going to do steaming of the milk. We only need a little bit. This is an espresso macchiato. The good thing about this is that there are two steam ones. There is a larger one for large quantities of milk, and then there is a smaller one for smaller quantities of milk. So that's what we're going to do. Just need to empty this portafilter. Okay. I'll just do that. Keep the machine clean. Okay. Right, back to the steaming. Don't want to weigh the steam. That's the steam it's given. I'm just going to wipe the wand. And I usually just give it a quick blast to get any excess milk out of there. Okay. Okay, and there we have it, the espresso macchiato, and my husband and I are now going to go and enjoy these coffees. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.